What's going on, guys? My name is Zach. Today I'm going to show you how to do the random shirt scene, or something like if you want to make a game that start with a random character dress, you can use this mechanic. So I'm going to show you the demonstration first, how it look like. So when I start the game, wait for a minute. Okay, when I start the game, you will get the random shirt every time you start. You can see here's a red and both pen and shirt is red. And then if I start again, you will get different player with different shirt. You can see that black and blue. Start again. Then we got pink and red. So without further ado, let's get started from the scratch. So to do this, you need some sprite. I will include these packages in my by description below. And let's start over. So we need to have a new scene. So add new scene. I'm gonna try to unload this first. Show you how I set up the scene. All right. First thing first, you need to use uh, UI canvas, and then set up the canvas into space camera, and then constant pixel size into scale with screen size. Adjust the screen match into 0.5, and then drag your main camera inside the render camera. Okay. So we have your camera right here. So the next thing is you need to add something in the canvas, which is UI images. So for the first image, you need to make it as a person or your player or whatever you want to call it, and then drag your sprite inside the image grid. So I have a naked man right here. You can see that. So you can resize your player like that. Okay. And then the next thing is you need to add the next image and edit the shirt. So it doesn't matter what shirt you want to edit because this shirt is not affected if when you have a make the script. So resize it, position it, okay, so you can resize it on your own. So let's say you have that, and then name this as shirt. Now for the pant, just add another image. Take any pen that you want, just put right there, and then you're going to rescale it just like this. Okay, not really good. Maybe right there. Oh, one. Uh, yeah, something like that. So you have your player right there. So now we save the scene. Let's say this one testing. Okay, and then the next thing is you need to have your script. So for your script, let me rename this first. Okay, for the script, it's really straightforward. It's very easy to do. First thing first, you're gonna add Unity Engine UI because you're gonna play with UI stuff, and then start off with declaring two array, which is the shirt and the trousers, and the type of the array is a sprite because the sprite is image that you want to drag and save within this array. The next thing is you need to have your target shirt and target trousers, which is in this case is an image because you're using the UI image, and then you just put the start. You're gonna random the shirt and the trousers when you start the game. So to do that, just target shirt, get a component of UT image the engine the UI image. I mean UI the image, which is this thing, and then we're going to make it equal into array that have a random index number. So to make a generate random index number every time you start, you need to use this random.range function. Start off the starting index of array, and then it will end up into how many length of array that you input. So just put this thing, okay? If you don't have a time to copy this, I will provide the script also in description. And then yeah, that's all. And then you're gonna put the new empty game object, name is as manager, and drag the screen, I mean the script into this thing. Now you have the shirt and the trousers. So for the trousers, let's say you have three or 300, doesn't matter what it is. So for this purpose, I just put three trousers and three shirt. So drag your shirt inside the array, okay, and then your shirt, and then your pants or your trousers, whatever you want to call it. Drag it like there. Okay. Now for the target shirt, take a shirt and drag in here. Also the pants, right there. And then you're ready to go. The next thing is you need to set up the start scene. All right. So if you don't want to make a start scene, you can also make just a button. Yeah. But if you want to make a start scene, also can. And yeah, for this tutorial, we show you the start screen method. So just create the new scene. Add new scene. Just save it as testing menu or whatever you want to call it. Scene. Okay. And then this one just put a button. So create UI button right there. You can make it as uh, you set up the resolution just like before. So just drag this thing up right there. Okay, and then you can name it as whatever. Let's say random. Random. Okay. All right. And then go to the button, and then you need to have another script. So for the next script is two games script, which is the script that allow you to start to go to the scene that you want. So in this case, before this I make the scene that name game, but just now we make it as testing. So change the name here as testing. All right. Then drag the script, which is to game. Oh, sorry about that. Wait, the script is compiling. Okay. So add a component to game. Where is it? To game. All right. And then click on click on plus button on the on click function. Drag your button inside this thing, and then go to game right here, and then to scene, and that's all. And it will work. So you hit the play button, and then yeah, you will get what you want. Random, you see, you get the person with yellow shirt and brown pant. Start again. Wait a second. You got the random shirt. All right. So I think that's all for the tutorial for the random character shirt. I hope you like it, and then if you have any question, you can ask me to the comment, and that's it. I'll see you next time. Good luck.